It's my pleasure to welcome all of you to the Critical Issues Confronting China series.
This won't take the form of an academic lecture. It'll be much more personal.
The most accomplished job Xi Jinping has done is consolidate his power, not develop the economy.
China has different competitive advantages than the United States, right? So
what I'm going to try to convince you of today is that that's just part of the story.
The great innovation is in driving down cost and arbitraging regulatory inefficiencies.
I started asking my parents about their background in China.
I've lived in China working with practitioners and legislators.
I think we underestimated the residual strength of the traditional state system.
And to understand what they're going to do and how they're going to do it, you have to understand China.